Hi, I'm Bob Valentine with Techno CNC Systems. In today's file, we're going to be running two tools, Techno's cabinet creator, the SW6M1278, and our 1/8" compression cutter, the CM18181316. Before we get started running our file, we first want to make sure our tools are set up in our tool change rack at the back of our machine. We want to make sure our tools are measured and our zero locations have been established on the machine. From there, it's just a matter of aligning our material, turning on our vacuum pump, loading our files, and running them. For more information on how to set up our tools, tool measurements, and automatic tool changes, please see our tutorial series. We're then going to turn our vacuum pump on to hold our material down, and we're going to go ahead and run this file. Enjoy. All right, in 4 short minutes, we have ourselves all of our parts cut out and ready for assembly. With the accuracy of our ball screw technology on this new LC series machine, we have ourselves a perfect fit. The first time around. Give us a call at 631-648-7481 for more information on our LC series machine, or visit us at technocnc.com.